Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of machine design. The topic is screw, friction in screw, bearing and clutches. Question number 7 is condition for maximum efficiency of screw threads when raising the load is option A alpha is equal to 45 minus pi by 2, option B pi is equal to 45 minus alpha by 2, option C alpha is equal to 90 minus pi by 2, option D pi is equal to 90 minus alpha by 2, where alpha is helix angle of thread and pi is the friction angle. Question number 8 is maximum efficiency of screw threads when raising the load is option A efficiency of is equal to 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi, option B efficiency of is equal to 1 minus cos phi divided by 1 plus cos phi, option C efficiency of is equal to sin phi divided by 1 plus cos phi, option D efficiency of is equal to cos phi divided by 1 plus sin phi. So these are two questions, and based on the maximum efficiency of screw thread when load is moving up. So we are assuming that the load is rotating with the screw and it is moving up, and for that the efficiency formula is tangent alpha divided by tangent alpha minus pi. Okay. As the coefficient of friction between the screw and nut is constant, so we are assuming that coefficient of friction, as material is same, metal is constant for the two materials, so we are assuming that coefficient of friction is will not change. So this pi we are assuming constant. Now we can design your alpha. So for maximum efficiency, d efficiency by d alpha should be equal to 0. We can design alpha. We can make the helix angle alpha according to maximum efficiency. So now we are finding out that angle alpha. Okay. So now if we differentiate it with respect to alpha, then it will be tangent square alpha plus pi by using divide rule. Then it will be tangent square alpha plus pi, and this its differentiation is secant square alpha, and it will remain same, and its differentiation is secant square alpha plus pi, and tangent alpha will remain same, is equal to 0. So secant square alpha tangent alpha plus pi minus secant square alpha plus pi tangent alpha. Okay. So tangent alpha plus pi divided by secant square alpha plus pi is equal to tangent alpha plus secant square alpha. Okay. Or we can write we can multiply secant square here. We can write tangent alpha plus pi as sin alpha plus pi and divided by cos alpha plus pi, and secant square alpha plus pi as 1 by cos square alpha plus pi, and tangent alpha is your sin alpha plus by cos alpha, and secant square alpha is 1 by cos square alpha, and this cos alpha plus pi will cancel one of the cos alpha plus pi, so it will be sin alpha plus pi cos alpha plus pi, and this will be again likewise this will be sin alpha cos alpha. Or we can say sin 2 alpha plus pi is equal to sin 2 alpha, or we can say 2 alpha plus 2 pi is equal to 2 alpha, or alpha plus pi is equal to alpha. Okay, alpha plus pi is equal to alpha, or pi is equal to 0. It means if it means there is no friction, but the friction is present in the nut and screw, so that cannot be the case. So when we assume that sign is positive in second quadrant, so we convert this into sin 2 alpha into sin pi minus 2 alpha. So now we can create 2 alpha plus 2 pi is equal to pi minus 2 alpha, or 4 alpha plus 2 pi is equal to pi, or alpha is equal to 45 minus, because this is pi by 4, and this will be a pi by 2. If we divide the whole equation by 4, so alpha will be a 45 minus pi by 2. So that is the equation for maximum efficiency, because we have differentiated efficiency with respect to alpha, so that is the equation for maximum efficiency, and the maximum so answer is your that is alpha is equal to 45 minus pi by 2. So the answer is your option A. Okay. Now if we put that value in the maximum efficiency, in this case, then the efficiency of will be your tangent 45 minus pi by 2 divided by tangent 45 minus pi by 2 plus pi. If you put the value of alpha, then it will be your 1 minus tangent pi whole square. Sorry, that will be because this, its formula is 1 minus tangent pi 1 plus tangent pi, and its formula is again, because this will be a plus tangent 45 plus tangent pi by 2, so that will be 1 plus tangent pi above 1 minus tangent pi, so that can be written as 1 minus tangent pi square and 1 plus tangent pi 1 minus tangent pi by 2 square divided by 1 plus tangent pi by 2 square. Okay, now we can put this sin tangent pi by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 divided by cos pi by 2 and solve the equation. So that will be cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 square will cancel out. Likewise in the numerator, denominator, it will be cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 will cancel out. Okay, so now it will be cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 divided by cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 whole